go to a family trip to the beach. Y'all don't want to ride in nothing dirty, huh? working. No touching, and I ain't doing nothing. But they working. Don't judge my hair. She still got to style it, but it is what it is. I do not to ride in a dirty car. Nick, don't suck on my jacket. This is why you do it when there's nothing in the car. You done? Get it. Scrub it. Room tour. You guys, we have made it to the beach.
Look, they already looking for y'all too.
Room 1. This is a cute little full bath. Oh God, Daddy, I'm recording. That's my daddy. That's my daddy. So this is our view. It's so cute.
There we go.
This is beautiful.
Y'all balcony over there. Y'all balcony.
Oh look, y'all got that dough. Y'all ain't even ready for that. We got a personal balcony out here, y'all. We out here living the life. Come, but with me. We at Myrtle Beach, y'all. We made it. It's so cute. I'm ready to turn up. This is a new penthouse type room that we just got. I found it. It's so beautiful. That's my baby. So beautiful. This is cute. But this is a back room over here in this king size bed that I saw. And he has made his way to the balcony. He's gonna be right there the whole time. Look, baby. Live here. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at how big it is. And then these got lights on it.
He said he want to stay. And you got your own person.
Your own bathroom, like for the toilet, right? It got a door.
Look, this is what I told David.
This kitchen is cute. Oh, I didn't. It's 3 bathrooms. This is a half bath. So it's 2.5. This is cute. This is 2.5 bath. We can have a whole party over here, girl. Yeah, she got the open concept. Look how big her TV is, though. Like,
Oh, damn.
yes, her TV is bigger than everybody's.
Farting and shitting and drinking.
No, that's you.
That is him, y'all. Don't think we not doing that. That is him.
Him doing that.
We here though. And this is so cute, y'all. I feel like this is what I need, babe. A high rise.
Well, I'll check it out.
A high rise. You want to do the Ooh, there we go. Got some lights.
She had a room there.
My mama's phone steady going off. My daddy said turn that off a long time.
Okay, well, we'll
Everything. I cut everything. You said edit everything out. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I put that on there. Follow me on YouTube if y'all ain't on there. Let me tell y'all gonna be on there. Okay? You so cute.
What the problem is? What the problem is? My baby thinks she gonna be a goddamn photographer.
Don't worry about it. Y'all, I'm so proud of my girlfriend.
We gonna get it. When we get in Miami, baby, we gonna be professional.
I'm so proud of her, y'all. She trying to learn how to do this moped, and it was a little worse yesterday. Oh, baby, you look cute. I just my baby. Meet me. Oh God. Yep. Whoa. Oh, I'm heavier than yesterday.
know, that's why I'm on these back roads. We good, man. Appreciate you, though.
Lord, he trying to save us out in these streets. Take off.